Welcome back to another video, guys. It is snowing and the brown trout are going absolutely insane. Let's see if we can get some. Oh, there's one. Just swiped at it. This is so crazy, guys. They will jump out of the water to eat this thing. I caught 2 earlier, so hopefully that won't be it for today. I'm hoping it's not, so I can make a video. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, that's a good one. No, he came off. Oh, that was a good one, though. All right, guys, I think they're still biting. That was so cool. You guys saw it jump out of the water. Oh, one swiped at it. I didn't think that I would catch anything in this slush water. It's like top water fishing for trout, like, but with a spinner. Inline spinner. So cool. Earlier they were just jumping out of the water for this, and now they're just not doing anything. I don't know what's up. I didn't think I'd have to say this, but we're gonna have to try another spot. It's not working. And I caught 2 and then I missed 3, but that was all off camera. Or I missed 2 off camera and then 1 on camera. But now they just aren't biting. It's not like I'm missing them. Maybe since I caught 2 off camera, they all got oh, there we go. No, dang it, we missed it. No. Whoa, did you guys see that? That was right in front of me. It was like a baby trout or something. That was so cool. All right, it's not over yet.